Hello guys. This will be a video on how to SEO optimize your videos and your images for your YouTube channel to help it grow and also to increase subscribers so that you can be found organically and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what I do on the front end and the back end of before I upload a video to YouTube and what I do after I upload my video to YouTube in order to SEO, which is search engine optimize my video and my thumbnails for YouTube as well as Google. So let's get started. Alright, so I have this video here and I have already edited how I want it to be edited, and so I'm going to select make movie. So as you can see here, it is now asking me for a file name. So what I do is I will say all of my important keywords. So whatever you want it to be, make it good. And then I also throw some other keywords in just to keyword kind of stuff it as well. Alright, I think that's good to get started off. So that'll save my video. So that's just some random title that I'll eventually work on creating the real title for my YouTube video. While that is doing this encoding, let's get started on our image. So I'm going to show you guys an image. And what I do is, sorry, I jumped ahead without telling you guys what I do. I come over to the image that I want to use and I will actually right click on it. So once you right click on it, it brings up a bunch of different options for you to choose from. You want to scroll all the way down till you see properties. From properties, you want to go here under general tab and you want to change the name. So this is all really important information because this is how we tell Google and YouTube what is this thumbnail about, what is this video about. So this is not the actual well, maybe we'll use this one. Is this the right one that I'll use for my actual video? No, that's not the right one that I'll use for my video. But as you'll see, I did this one. So I right clicked on properties and then I'm going to change it to 3 drummers, and I'm going to put whatever I want in the title. That'll keyword stuff it to let Google know what this picture is about. Then once I'm kind of okay with keywords in the title of the image, I'll go to details. Oh, and this was actually made in Canva, so I can't do this one on Canva. So what I'll do is I'll find one that I can do for you guys. I'll just say okay for now, but let's give you an example. This picture here. Sorry, properties. Details. Okay, so like we did on the first one, you would put whatever you want as the general name of the image. And then from there, you want to go to details tab. I always want to give myself a 5-star rating because, face it, I'm 5 stars. So you'll give yourself a nice catchy title here using your keywords, and then you'll put a nice subject here also using keywords. And then I'll come down to tags, and I will start to use all of my keywords here as tags. So I would say keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, and I've never gotten to a limit where they say there's too many tags. So add as many as are applicable to whatever you are uploading as possible. So these are all things that someone would use to be able to find your actual video or on YouTube or on Google. So You go there, and then if you have a website, I like to go ahead and put my website down here too. So, you know, 5-star www.5starYouTuber. That's not a real website, guys. I'm just giving an example. Oh, wow, this is a really old picture taken in 2016 when I had a OnePlus 2. I don't even have that kind of phone anymore. And then you would click and say, okay. So that's how you would SEO optimize the image. So let's go back and check and see if our video is done encoding now. And it's not. So what we'll do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video until we're done encoding, because it seems to be a little slow today. And then once we're done with that, I'll come back. Okay guys, we are back, and it was a pretty long video. My video is like 21 minutes, so that's why the encoder is taking so long to do its job. So I thought I would show you guys where I get my keywords from. So there's 3 different sources of what I use in order to get my keywords that I use. So the first one that you can use is if you have a Google AdWords account. You can come into Google AdWords, you click on Tools, and you go to Keyword Planner, and it will help you to find some keywords that you will maybe need. So that is the very first example, and I apologize that my computer is running really slow. I have a massive software running. It's called Mass Planner, and it takes up so much computer capacity. So anyway, you can click to find new keywords, and you can also see get search volumes and forecasts under Google Ads. So if you click on find new keywords, you can say whatever your video is about, and Google Ads will pre-populate you some keyword ideas, so it will let you know. Got it? So as you guys can see, I'm going to stretch this out a little bit further so you can see the different keywords that it tells me to use. So Yamaha, and their search volume, it has 14,800 people search for Yamaha drums in a month, which is not an excessively high number of people that search for that, but it's a good amount. And then you just continues to let you know some other keywords, and I am using a good portion of those. My other way that I get keywords is that I go to, I have a free Chrome extension. It's called Keywords Everywhere. I will put the link down below so that you guys can get this free Chrome extension if you use Google Chrome. And anytime I Google something, it will put all of the data in there for me. So it'll say related keywords, let me know the volume, the cost per click, and the competition. So these are some words that suggest that somebody that would search for Yamaha drums may also be searching for as well. And it tells you how many people are searching for those a month. So these are very low search volumes, but if I target these in my actual video, I'm more likely to show up in a Google search result because, you know, are a lot of people using these long tail keywords? I don't know, but I have a better chance if I put Yamaha PHX drums, if my video is related to that, as one of my keywords. And then I can also scroll down, and it'll also have some additional search related to Yamaha drums, and so it pretty much will say the same thing, maybe a few different things here. All right, and my third way of how I get keywords is TubeBuddy. So I'll show you guys TubeBuddy when we actually start to upload it onto YouTube. And I will also put a link down below so you can get your TubeBuddy as well. All right, so let's get back to our video. It is finally at 100%. It is finalizing our video for us. So we just have to wait a couple of seconds, guys. I am so glad that you guys took this time in order to like this video and subscribe to my channel while we had a little downtime. So let's get back started. All right, so I am in the folder that I keep my videos in, and I'm going to right click on the video. I'm going to scroll down to properties. The long name I saved it as is the title. I can go back and change that if I want. I'm going to leave it now for now. And I am going to change it to let's give it a subtitle. Now let's get down to some tags. I'm going to take my time and type these in so you guys see how I do this. And so pretty much I do this 3 different times. I do it for the thumbnail image that I upload, I do it for the video that I upload, and then I actually do it in YouTube as well. So let's get started. The main keywords is that. And I have written all of these keywords out so I don't have to keep going back and forth between, you know, the Google screen where the Keywords Everywhere tool is. So it's just however you find it easiest for you to do it. These are all words that I may think somebody may be searching that would possibly like my video. Almost done, guys. We're almost done. So technically, you know, you want to know what your keywords are either before you create your video or somewhere after you create your video. You can come down here, you can put directors, producers, oh, and also there we go. All right, so I am now done. Let's head on over to YouTube and let's get ready to upload this. All right, let's select files to upload. So it's going to ask me, and I'll just go to the file where I have it at. Where did I save it as? There we go. And that name that I just threw in there, it just threw all of that right here into the title. I will come in here and fix the title, but I'm going to get to the meat of what you guys want to know, which is like the tags. So as you guys can see, I am using TubeBuddy. I am logged into TubeBuddy for this account. And it will have some recommended tags for me as I go. So you can only have 500 words or tags. So what we're going to do is we'll do the 3 that they have initially selected for me. I just have the free program right now. And I also have vidIQ, so you can see that it's giving me some stats as well under my vidIQ. I have that as an extension as well. So what I'll do is I'll type all of that back in there. And I want to make sure I don't go over 500. So I'm at 127 now, so I'll just keep going until I run out of ability to add more. I see so many YouTubers do not use the tags, and that is how you tell YouTube what your video is about. So this is actually on YouTube, the front end of YouTube. I'm putting my tags in now. I put it in on the back end and my actual video and my actual images before I uploaded it. So Google and YouTube will know what this video is about. Oh, we already used that one. Oh, I went over. So, there we go. And I'll be done with all of my keywords here. I'll put all my description and all that good stuff as well. And that is pretty much the gist of how I get my SEO optimized, my images and my videos for YouTube, so that I can increase my followers and I can increase my rank in search engines. And that is how I do it. So if you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment below. I will answer any questions that I can possibly answer. I would also appreciate you guys if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am on my road to 1,000 and 4,000. So you guys are our fellow YouTubers. You know that I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I do return S for S. So hit me up, guys. Oh, and this is also a part of my new channel. Well, cut. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.